All right, so I've made some changes. You can see now we have a global README here, and we have README in each of the folder, as you can see. So this is why I said I'm going to be doing some commit off screen, so you can check it out in the GitHub page. All right, you'll notice that in my previous videos, the extensions that were installed on both macOS and Windows were not applied. So for example, you are seeing this, red background because we need to sign in. So if I click on it, it will prompt me to sign in. So let's sign in. So I'm going to choose personal account and continue, open. So I'm going to use Gmail for this. Then your name, put in your name. Then they're going to send you a verification code to your email. So paste in the verification code or just type it out. Now put in a password of your choice. All right, so put in the character in this input here. Allow access. So now you can close this window. Now you've signed in, as you can see. And now you can start using AWS and VSCode. So there are others as well that we've actually installed. So for Windows, you'll notice that in the episode 2, when I was talking about Chocolate, we didn't install any extension, VS Code extension. So you can just click this button here, this extensions button, then search for any extension of your choice and install it. All right. So now I want to set up GitHub theme because currently we are using the default VS Code theme. So I'll set color theme here. So you can choose any one of your choice if you want. I prefer using either this or this. Either the GitHub dark colorblind or GitHub dark default. Good. So you can see the changes have been applied. This also applies to other extensions. So for example, if we come here and set the file icon as well, let's use the material icon. Now if we go back and see, you see that our icons have changed. And for Postman as well, we can also sign in if you've not signed in and start using Postman. So if you come to here, you see, once you sign in, you'll see that you have like some couple of collections. All right, so you can do that for others. So if you notice that they are not working after installing the extension. We are still going to use Biome. So it is going to work automatically in our project. And also And also this one is already working automatically. So if you go to a README file, for example, this one here, and you do Command Shift P or Control Shift P for Windows. So I'm going to use Command Shift P since I'm on macOS. You search for Markdown, take Markdown preview, open preview. Yeah, this one here, Markdown open preview, or use the shortcut key here. You notice that it gives you the preview of your Markdown. So if you go to like another README, for example this one, and check it out to give you README. So you can install other extensions if you like. Yeah. Also, the other global extensions we installed, so Amazon Q. Yeah. If you come, so if you click on open, you see that it's added. Normally, if you go to opt, you'll notice. So now click on get started, install, sign in. Allow access, and there you have it. So make sure that your share integrations is enabled, and also you enable accessibility as well. So now if we open our terminal, you will now notice that we have auto completion once we start typing. So as you can see, we didn't have this before. So now that we have Amazon Q globally on our system, it's working. So if I say git, you can see this auto completion here, and you can press the suggested command here if you want. That's Ctrl K. So to give you a description of what the command is doing. You can scroll down and see other commands. So very handy. So you need to read more. I have a documentation on that. You can check out my blog and read more on Amazon Q. Also, this works in VSCode integrated terminal on the fly. So I need to actually close VSCode and open it again. Since I just enabled Amazon Q globally, so I need to close and reopen again for it to work. So I'm going to close it, open it again. Now, when I type, it gives me suggestions, as you can see. All right. And also, if you want a quick access to Amazon Q, if you notice the Amazon Q is not working, then you can just scroll up here and click on this here. Then click on login. Since I'm already logged in, so it's not showing here. Or click on settings, or click on Amazon Q is not working. And if you want to quit, you can click on this, but you don't really need to quit, so you can just keep on using Amazon Q.